S-Team Transact Private Limited. Managing finance, building fortunes. Since 2006, S-Team has been a financial advisor focused exclusively on raising capital for individuals and for public and private companies. With a culture deeply rooted in ethics, innovation, and expertise in finance and property, we understand our clients' needs and aim to deliver our best always. We are quality and integrity conscious, and one of our prime concerns is client satisfaction. We assist you with residential finance, retail, corporate and project finance, capital market spectrum, debt and investment. At S-Team, we believe that the best loans are of no use without the best homes. That's why we go an extra mile and also assist our clients in identifying an ideal home. S-Team has a network of more than 200 real estate consultants and reputed developers to cater to the demanding requirements of our clientele. We have more than a decade of expertise in arranging the best home loan solutions. We recommend which institution or bank will best suit the client's requirement and accordingly arrange for the sanction and speedy dispersal of the loan. We are a one-stop shop for all the real estate needs of our clients. We provide support at all stages, right from private equity financing for land to locating strategic partnerships and tie-ups. S-Team has significant access to the key decision makers of large private equity funds. This gives us an unparalleled edge in closing transactions. Property Easy is a web portal that caters to every real estate requirement. It is a forum for buyers, sellers, and real estate agents to exchange information in the most effective and inexpensive manner. Loan Easy exclusively caters to financial requirements. It provides a wide range of services to individuals and businesses. Our partnership with various financial institutions enables us to offer the best options to suit our clients' requirements. We ensure timely dispersal of loans along with extremely beneficial repayment terms. We are affiliated to the following banks: S-Team is promoted by Mr. Sutish Pandey and Mr. Devang Raitata. Mr. Sutish Pandey is a sales professional having an immense and dedicated experience of over 13 years in the field of direct sales, marketing, and people management. Mr. Devang Raitata is a brilliant professional having a vast experience of 12 years in the field of finance and marketing of various financial products. He has developed a successful network of real estate consultants and investors. The promoters exhibit teamwork and have seamlessly committed 12 years to successfully operating a direct sales agency for reputed banks in the country. We have professionally trained and client-focused teams dedicated to every business module in the organization. The strength of S-Team lies in its experienced and highly qualified professionals. Over the last 6 years, S-Team has witnessed a growth of more than 250% with a total disbursement close to 1000 crores. From 85 crores in the first year itself to a whopping 205 crores in 2012. Our list of clients includes MDs and VPs of various national and multinational organizations as well as Bollywood celebrities.
Hi, I am Vijay Rai. I am Vice President with Kotak Mahindra Bank and take care of their mortgage business for Bombay. We have been associated with Sudesh and team Transact since over 4 years now. And in these past 4 years, we as a bank have done fairly good business with them. What I have observed is their team is very dedicated, hardworking, committed to their goals. And they have a fixed plan every month, every quarter, which they adhere to. Not only that, Sudesh's personal involvement in all the cases in terms of explaining, taking it, giving it to a logical end, and even contacting me for certain issues that get stuck up is really commendable. So I wish the entire team all the best for future and hope they keep growing. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sachin Jivani from Dewan Housing Finance Corporation Limited. S-Team Transact has been associated with us for last 4 years. A team of thorough professionals and the team which works with great commitment, dedication, zeal for achievement of team's goal. Best part about this team is they never misguide customers. I wish S-Team Transact all the best in their future endeavors, all their future endeavors. All the best and keep growing, Sudesh. All the best. Devang, all the best.
Hi everybody, this is Manoj Mishra from Standard Chartered Bank. We are associated with S-Team Transact since from 5 years. They are doing pretty well business with us, and best part about the S-Team is that it's a focused team, it's a dedicated team, and they know the taste of the bank. Okay. Also they know the segment of the customer we need to be proposed to the bank. I wish them all the best for their future. Thank you.
દેવાંગ રાય ઠઠ્ઠા જે એસટીમના ડિરેક્ટર છે લગભગ 12-15 વર્ષથી મારે એમની સાથે સંબંધ છે અને સંબંધ જે છે એ ધંધાથી ચાલુ થયો હતો અને મિત્રતાથી વધુ એ વધ્યો છે. એનો સૌથી સારામાં સારો પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ છે જે એસટીમનો એની સર્વિસ. મારા મોટાભાગના કેસ જે છે કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ કેસ હોય છે, પણ મારો કોઈ બી કેસ એમને મેં આપ્યો હોય અને ફેલ નથી ગયો. એટલે આ જે એનો સૌથી મોટો પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ છે એ એમને ઘણો આગળ લઈ ગયો છે અને હજી આગળ લઈ જશે. Best of luck, S-Team.
We had a very healthy relationship with S-Team Transact Consulting Private Limited. This portal Loan Easy is true to its name and makes loans easy. To my experience, they have been most efficient in providing loans to my clients and making my transactions really smooth. Thanks S-Team for being a part of me. Thank you so much. All the best.
I am Mr. Deepak Sharma, basically known as Tipubai from Vaibhav State Region. I am the past president of Area 2. I know Mr. Devang Rai Ttha since 16 years because basically I am also in this business since 23 years. Basically, he was the first person to contact all local brokers regarding to provide loan and everything for each and every brokers and to give them good commission from them also. And basically, I have done many deals with him and we are happy with him, and I know him personally also. He is a very good person, and Mr. Sudesh Pandey is partner, and they have their own company, that is S-Team Transit Consultancy Private Limited, having office at Koregaon. We are very happy with their service and God bless them.
S-Team के डायरेक्टर सुदेश पांडे और मिस्टर देवांग राय ठट्ठा, तो कम से कम हमारे 12 साल से हमारा रिलेशन है उनके साथ में. उनका जो भी लोन प्रोसेस जो करने की जो सिस्टम है काफ़ी अच्छी है और डे बाई डे उनका प्रोग्रेस होता है और वो भी अच्छा लगता है. जैसे भी कस्टमर एडवांस होता है वैसे वो लोग भी एडवांस है. कस्टमर कभी भी हमको बताते हैं कि ये यहाँ से ही लोन लेना है, वो एडवाइस करते हैं कि यहाँ पे आपको कभी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कम रहेगा, वो हिसाब से वो लोग एडवाइस भी करते हैं और कस्टमर को सेटिस्फेक्शन देते हैं. और आज 12 साल से मैं देख रहा हूँ कि S-Team काफ़ी आगे बढ़ चुकी है और मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है और हमारी फ्रेंडशिप भी वो साथ साथ में बढ़ रही है. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि S-Team और आगे प्रोग्रेस करे, दिल से मैं चाहूँगा तो और आगे बढ़े और साथ साथ में हमारा भी बिजनेस साथ उनके साथ में बढ़ता है. थैंक यू.
My experience with this home loan was such that I wanted this home loan very badly because it was my it was the start of my career, and so when I approached my bankers having what you call pessimistic opinion, or you can say conservative, to grant me such a loan of 21 lakhs, in spite of my balance being with them of rupees 1 lakh at any particular moment. So the relationship with Esteem has started in this manner, and it has grown over a period of time, and now I direct all my customers to Esteem only for their housing loan problems. And over a period of time, Esteem has also gone into various other ventures such as auto loans, personal loans and all. I wish them best of luck for their future. Thank you.
हम लोग एस्टीम के साथ करीबन 15 सालों के से काम कर रहे हैं। इनका जो वर्क ऑफ कैपिटल है, जो लोन अप्रूवल के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है। आज तक हमारे किसी भी क्लाइंट को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया है। मेन तौर पर रजनीश जी और इनके जो हेड पर्सन्स हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज कोऑपरेटिंग। हमको खाली हमारे क्लाइंट का डाटाबेस इनको देना होता है, या इनको खाली हम फ़ोन नंबर दे देते हैं, तो हमारे क्लाइंट को ये अप्रोच करके उनके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से पूरी लोन की प्रपोजल ये सैंक्शन करवा देते हैं। बहुत सारे बैंकों के साथ इनका टाई अप है, और आज तक हमारा ये रिकॉर्ड रहा है कि जो भी क्लाइंट हमने इनको दिए हैं वो सारे ही क्लाइंट्स को मोस्टली लोन मिल गया है। कुछ एक आध तो क्लाइंट का अगर प्रॉब्लम भी हुआ है तो इन्होंने सॉर्ट आउट करके हमको दिया है। तो आज तक जो जिस सर्विस के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं एज अ स्टेट एजेंट, हमारे क्लाइंट को हम एक एडिशनल फैसिलिटीज़ भी दे सकते हैं ड्यू टू दिस एस्टीम, कि अगर आप फ्लैट लेते हो तो साथ में लोन वगैरह भी चाहिए, तो वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दैट ऑल्सो, एंड थैंक्स फॉर एस्टीम। We at Majithia Estate are into real estate business since 1983. Our association with Esteem has been since last 6 years, and our experience with Mr. Vishal Mutani from Esteem is extremely great. They are very cooperative and professional at their work, and best in providing service to our clients. All the best, Esteem from Majithia Estate.
Hi, my name is Setu Ruparelia. I represent Karishma Estates, and today I'm here to say something about Esteem Transact. I've been associated with this company since more than a year now, and I'm very close to Mr. Tejas Unadkat. He's a very close friend of mine indeed. We have been friends for more than 25 years, and me and this company has been associated now, and we are doing very good hand on hand, because this company, whatever clients we have, and we outsource these clients to this company, they have been giving a good response to the clients, basically on time response, what we say. It is absolutely fantastic. In regards to home loans, in regard to any kind of mortgages related to properties, and all these kind of loan facilities generally from any kind of banks which is generated. So this company especially has been associated with us for the same, and the kind of response we get from them, as well as our clients are very much satisfied, because they have been able to close number of deals in such a short span of time, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
We have been associated with Esteem since a very long time, and we are satisfied with the services, and even my customers are happy. They are giving us excellent service related to home loans and other facilities. It was always nice to get prompt service from Mr. Rajesh also, who was always available as and when demanded. Till date, we are fully satisfied with their services.
We look forward to assisting you in the near future.